Hey, in front of me is ULEFONE Note 13P, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, you need to access settings. Now scroll down and click on biometrics and password. After that, you need to select screen lock and tap on the best login method for you, pattern, PIN or password. Now you need to enter it, and when you're ready, select next at the bottom right corner. Then repeat it and click on confirm. Now click on one of those options to pick the best one for you. How do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? I want to see all of mine, so I will go with show all notification content over here and tap on done at the bottom right corner. Now when I go back, turn off my screen and then turn it back on. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!